name's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today we're talking about one of my favorite low-budget, high-impact strategies, the image trick, and I'll show you 3 different ways to do it on 3 classic folding styles, the trifold, the gatefold, and the accordion. So let's take a closer look. This first example is what I'll call a split image trick, perfect for simple gatefolds like this one. Each panel holds half of an image. In this case, each half is different and forms one curious image when the panels are closed. For this design, each half illustrates a benefit of a software system, simplicity and power, and to combine a canoe and a speedboat in a clever way to communicate the concept. Let's call this next example the overlay image trick. I'll show you this one on a trifold. This is a great example of a simple product comparison using imagery, and it makes its point very easily. We're comparing dry dog food with fresh, and what they've done is they've overlaid a bowl of the competitor's product to scale and in perfect registration so that you can see an impressive ours versus theirs comparison, which is both interesting and effective. We'll call my third example the partial image trick. I'm bringing this one back from episode 63, and it's effectively using an accordion fold that starts with a photo that tells only part of the story. When open, the rest of the image is revealed, and the full picture changes the story completely. I could keep going, but we'll stop there for today. As you can see, there are lots of easy ways to use imagery to get attention and to provoke interaction in your marketing. I hope these examples will inspire you to think differently about how you're using imagery in your upcoming campaigns. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.